video I am showing you how you can disable red notification badges from app icons on Android. So in my case, you can see in the WhatsApp app icon in the top right corner of this WhatsApp icon, you can see this red notification badge. So what you need to do to disable this red notification badge is you have to simply long hold this app, and then you can see the three options in the top. So tap on the app info, and after that you have to go to the permissions tab and then tap on the notifications, and here you can see the show app icon badges. You can see this is the second option. You have to simply toggle this option, and when you go back, then here you can see the red notification badge is disabled. So when you again come here, and then what you can do to when you enable this and when you go back, then here you can see the disable red notification badge. So you can see the red notification badge is enabled. So similarly you can disable this, and now you can't see the app icon badges, notification app icon badges on your phone. So that's it, that how you can disable this. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.